In this video, we will create a flowchart to determine if a given number is odd or even. But first, what exactly do even and odd numbers represent? Even numbers are divisible by 2, such as 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Odd numbers are those that are not divisible by 2, such as 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. So now, let's construct a flowchart. Here we will create a starting terminator to start the program. Now, we will accept a number as input and store it in variable a using input component. Following that, we will use a decision box to determine whether a modulo 2 is equals to 0 or not. If yes, then print even through the output component and end the program using the end terminator. If not, then print odd and end the program. Thank you.